Okay, so we'll get into example 3 for true angle problem. Here again the same thing. Your line or intersection between two surfaces is not a true length line in any of your ortho views. So let's see how we solve the second approach. So here we're given this, your front view and then your right side views, dealing with the two surfaces again, A and B, line or intersection right there, 1, 2, line or intersection right here on the right side view, your surface B and then your surface A. Okay, we always start with our projectors, here, and we just this is your full line. We throw it in perpendicular to all of the projectors. Okay, the projectors are the connecting lines between these corresponding points of your projections. Okay, which is this your front view and then your right side view. Okay, so that's the procedure we always do. Now we gotta deal with the true length. Okay, we don't have it because look at that 1, 2, 1, 2, and your first full line, they are not parallel to each other, so we have to make something. So now let's choose a right side view this time. So we're gonna choose a right side view. Your line of intersection between the two surfaces is 1, 2. So I'm going to give it a second, a full line that is parallel to that because I want to produce the true length line, right, on my next projection. So again, your projector lines, your full line, okay, make sure you perpendicular the full line, okay, to your projector lines, your directions, okay, and that's your dimensioning directions, okay. We'll keep the same thing on this side. All my points, my distances, pay attention, it's got to be corresponding from here to there and from here to these points. And then we'll do the same thing by connecting, okay, all of those points, all right. And my 1, 2 is your true length, because it came out from this 1, 2, which is parallel to this full line. Yes. Okay, then we're gonna do our projectors again. Bam, bam, bam. My third, all right, full line is going to come out because I want to draw, yes, my second auxiliary view right there. Okay, we'll do the same thing, keep the distances. So in order for us to keep the distance, we got to do the direction. We'll be measuring, in the direction. So for this view, your secondary auxiliary view, we're going to measure to that direction. So what are we measuring? The same distances, okay? So we give it that same distances on there. 4, 3, 1, 2 fuse because they're on the same line, and then connect, to make it two lines. And so your true angles right there in between line 4, 1, 2 and line 3, 1, 2. Okay. Here it's just a fuse. In reality, you gotta say like that's a line. All right. 4, 2. Okay. And then your line 1, 3. Okay. So that's how you see it, and you definitely use this primary auxiliary to get your secondary. Anyway, so that's your true angle. So this is the end of your example 3 with the second approach.